Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of culinary delights. Today, we have something truly exciting for you. We'll be diving into the marvelous world of the LG Convection Microwave Oven, and I'm thrilled to show you how to make the most out of this versatile kitchen appliance. Let's get started. Introduction to the LG Convection Microwave Oven. Before we jump into the amazing features of this LG Convection Microwave Oven, let's start with the basics. This oven combines the functionality of a microwave and a convection oven, offering you the best of both worlds. With its advanced technology and sleek design, it's a must-have appliance for any modern kitchen. Setting up and preparing for use. To begin, let's set up our LG Convection Microwave Oven. Make sure you have a clean and sturdy surface to place it on, preferably near a power outlet. Once it's in position, plug it in and give it a quick wipe down with a damp cloth. Next, let's take a look at the control panel. The LG Convection Microwave Oven has a user-friendly interface, allowing you to easily navigate through its various functions. Familiarize yourself with the buttons, knobs, and settings, as they will come in handy throughout our culinary journey. Exploring the key features. Now, let's dive into the exciting features of this oven. One of the standout features is the convection cooking mode. It circulates hot air within the oven, ensuring your food is cooked evenly and to perfection. Whether you're baking, roasting, or grilling, the convection mode will be your go-to setting. Another impressive feature is the sensor cooking technology. This intelligent system detects the humidity levels in your food and adjusts the cooking time and power accordingly. Say goodbye to undercooked or overcooked meals. The LG Convection Microwave Oven has got you covered. Mastering culinary delights. Now, let's put this oven to the test and whip up some delicious dishes. Today, we're making a mouth-watering roasted chicken with crispy potatoes. Start by seasoning your chicken with your favorite herbs and spices. Place it on the included rack and set the convection mode to roast at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare our potatoes. Cut them into bite-sized pieces, toss them in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and spread them on a baking tray. When the chicken has around 30 minutes left, pop in the potatoes on a separate rack. Once the cooking time is up, take out the chicken and potatoes. The chicken should be beautifully golden brown, and the potatoes should have a satisfying crunch. Let them cool for a bit before serving. Maintaining a clean oven. You've successfully cleaned the inside of your LG Convection Microwave Oven. To keep it in tip-top shape, here are a few maintenance tips. Regularly wipe down the interior after each use to prevent the buildup of dirt and grime. Use a damp cloth or sponge to quickly remove any spills or splatters. Additionally, avoid using abrasive materials or harsh chemicals, as they can damage the oven's surface. Remember to clean the turntable and accessories on a regular basis to maintain their cleanliness and functionality. Consider using microwave-safe covers or food lids to prevent splatters and spills from dirtying the interior of your oven. It's also a good practice to cover your food when microwaving to minimize messes. This simple step can go a long way in keeping your oven clean. Lastly, if you notice any persistent stains or difficult to remove residue, you can create a paste using baking soda and water. Apply the paste to the affected areas, let it sit for a few minutes, and then gently scrub with a non-abrasive sponge. Rinse thoroughly and wipe clean. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to cleaning the inside of your LG Convection Microwave Oven. By following these simple steps and maintaining regular cleaning habits, you'll keep your oven looking and smelling fresh for years to come. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more kitchen tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking and happy cleaning.